Nice. Hello, sports fans, specifically EDCI 701, my seminar crew. It is Dr. Palermo with a week one, more of an overview message. It was nice meeting you this weekend. I'm glad to know which of you will be my seminar cohort going forward in this new group from Charlotte. And I want to give you just a little bit of an overview of what you're going to be doing both this week and this semester in your EDCI 701 seminar class. And again, this class is designed to support you through the dissertation journey over the 6+ semesters of your program in EDCI. You take an EDCI 700, the theory development module, and that's really where you need to spend a whole lot of your time. But this semester and in subsequent semesters, I will serve as your dissertation coach, and then if you choose, dissertation chair. And the seminar shell is the way to organize the work and to keep in touch with you. So I will not make a video every week, but weekly I will check in with you, have work for you to do, and you need to check into your seminar Blackboard site. So we are in 701. And when you land in your course, this is what it should look like. I've changed the colors. This one's orange, so that's going to be a little different than your 700 class. Sometimes you click in and out of these, and it's kind of confusing to know where you are. But this is 701, and I've made this shell, the borders of it at least orange. Just like your 700 class, the toolbar on the left is arranged exactly the same with most or the same headings and content areas. You've got your information and support, your program information, and then the seminar information, including the syllabus, the course text, the calendar for the seminar course, the evidence descriptions. There are 3 things that you're going to complete as evidences of your work in the seminar this semester. Resources, and I'm going to say something more later about Turnitin. Not even going to go there right now. Your dialogue board is here, but just the way 700 is organized, the whole course for 15 weeks is organized into these weeks. So if you will, at least once per week, check into the weekly content and assignments and do this stuff, you'll keep up with it. And again, I'm going to close some of these discussion boards, but don't work too far ahead. You'll get ahead of me. So in this week one, what are your assignments? Well, to mostly start thinking about a dissertation and to start thinking about yourself as a dissertation candidate. Once you have loaded a photo and avatar in 700, it should show up here as well. So you may or may not have something to do there. And I would like you to read, get a copy of Booten and read chapter 1, and then do respond, please, to something in the Booten text book. Booten, the educational dissertation. Read chapter 1 and respond, please. What are your reasons for pursuing a doctorate? What strategies do you hope to implement to support your success? So draw from Booten or others, but mostly, why are you pursuing a doctorate? Have you thought deeply about this? You do not need to respond to another with this particular post, but do please respond to the question, respond to the prompt. If you want or haven't spent time exploring in the syllabus in the course shell for 701, do look at the syllabus, please. Here's your overview that is in the Google Drive. Course texts are here. Again, you're going to need a copy of the APA manual, education dissertation, Booten I mentioned, and Ravitch and Riggin is Reason and Rigor. Lots of R's. Do get a copy of that book as well, please. As far as the course calendar, to get an overview of what we're doing and where we're going for the semester, this lays it out for you and gives you a broader, bigger picture of the semester. The evidence descriptions. Again, this semester you're going to do 3 evidences. in this first semester of your seminar course. You're going to create a list of 3 to 5 potential topics that you're going to date and then may be married to later. You're going to create an annotated bibliography with 10 references. And I will show you just how to do a bibliographic reference, but you're going to create a bibliography of 10 references. And of those, 3 should be dissertations, and you're going to outline those. Not a lot of work, and again, the big picture with a program like this, it is in depth, it's rigorous, it's a lot of work. But if you will tackle this elephant and try to eat it one bite at a time, a little bit of work every week is my suggestion for keeping up with this stuff. So in week 1, none of these assignments is due. You have to get a book and start reading Booten and respond to the dialogue post. When you respond to the dialogue post, all you have to do is click the dialogue board. This is a dialogue post. Click the board and it will take you there. Then you need to create a thread. If you don't know Blackboard, you should do the Blackboard tutorial, but create a thread and start writing. And simple as that. You'll do your dialogue board post this week and keep up with things weekly. Look at the calendar to see where the big picture is, and check out the resources for seminar content if you want to dig into, dive into these assignments deeper. Okay? Thank you. Write to me. If you have questions, my contact information is here on the overview page. This is me. I do respond to my email within 24 hours, generally speaking. And this cell number I generally have with me. So text me. You got a question, text or an email, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you. Have a great week. I'll talk to you again soon.